Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Telegram to web app on Windows PC and laptop. So first of all, just open up the Telegram application on your mobile and then you have to tap on these three bars in the upper left corner. Then click on this settings. Now scroll down, you will see this option devices. Tap on it. Now in devices you can see this option scan QR code. If you tap on it, now you have to go to your desktop and search for this Telegram web. Click on this first one and now you will see the QR code here. You can see this. Now you have to go to your device and tap on scan QR code, and after scanning QR code you can see that quickly after scanning our Telegram on desktop will log in, and you can see that our Telegram is logged in to our desktop now. So that's how you can connect Telegram to web app on Windows PC and laptop. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.